Mr. Speaker, Deputy Speaker, sir, I also would like to take part in this short duration discussion brought forward by Bryce Tarwell Barbanian. Sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I totally subscribe to the point raised by Honourable Member from Mawphor Youtube, and I totally object to the mover of this short duration discussion, where he subscribed that naduh in other context. This is a very wrong, sir. We should take it positively. The people have the right to decide. We have seen that since long time back, more than 20 years, the railway in Riew, which was supposed to connect Berhad, since the people of that side they object, so that does not materialize. And it's for the people and the people of Garo Hills, because the Mendipathar, the people of Garo Hills, they like the railway to come, so the railway to Mendipathar has become operationalized. Even yesterday, sir, we have seen the MLA from Garo Hills. They request the government, if possible, to extend the railway into Garo Hills because it is beneficial to them. So we from the Jaintia Hills region, we also would like to hear the voice of the people, what the people subscribe to. If the people really want that the railway should be there, we should allow. We are living in democracy where every people, every individual have the right to speak their mind, have the right to do whatever they do. But to subscribe, to predetermine that this being anti-Khasi, anti-Jaintia, anti-Penar, this is a very wrong, sir. Like that day, sir, the Honourable Member from Nongkrem has subscribed that Jaintia election is because of the election Jaintia is not fair, sir. Sir, if the 8th MDC from Jaintia, the voice of people, VP candidate won, that is because it is not fair. Sir, I will tell him that when he got about some polling station that they got few votes. Even in my village, sir, there are one polling station where my candidate secured only 17 votes, but the VPP candidate secured more than 300 votes. This is not fair. So to subscribe the Jaintia Khasi is very wrong, sir. When he talked about politics that day, sir, in one polling station in 2018, sir, I scored 10%, sir. Zero nota. No, sir, because he talked about the Khasi Jaintia. Why I come to this? So as a leader, we should not talk about Khasi Jaintia. We should raise a specific thing. And in this context, sir, I totally subscribe, as elaborated by the Honourable Member from Mawphor, that the statement of the Honourable Member, MLA and Minister from Jaintia Hills, Kermanshallah, is we should let the people decide that what they want. We should not try to suffocate their voice. So I totally subscribe that this should not be taken as the Khasi, Jaintia or anything. We should take it positively that if the Garo Hills, they see that Mendipathar, they brought the benefit to them. That's why now they want to extend to other part of the state. And we from the Khasi region, since we didn't want that thing where Berhad, yesterday the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, he told that if we don't get even 200 crore also, we have to return. So we from Jaintia, as and when this proposal come from the Government of India, as per alignment is saying, if the people like, we should allow, if the people don't like. So what can we do? As our government, the government under the Chief Minister is listen to the people and the good sense we prevail. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.